Regular cleaning and maintenance is key to keep your Perfect Aire Air Purifier running smoothly. Your carbon filter should be replaced every 1 to 3 months. Your HEPA filter should be replaced every 3 to 12 months, depending on use. Never use water to clean your filters. This can damage the filter and your air purifier. Make sure the air purifier is turned off and unplugged. Remove the back cover to expose the filter assembly. Grasp the ribbons at the top and bottom of the filter to completely remove the filter assembly from the unit. The carbon pre-filter and HEPA filter are attached during installation, but the carbon filter can be easily separated by gently pulling it away from the edge of the HEPA filter. Remove the plastic from your new replacement filters. If you're only replacing the carbon filter, attach the new filter to your existing HEPA filter by lining up the edges and gently pressing them together. If it's time to replace the HEPA filter, a new carbon filter comes attached out of the box. Insert the new filter assembly into the back of the unit, making sure the carbon filter side is facing out, then replace the back cover. Wipe down the outside of the unit with a dry cloth to remove any remaining dust and debris, paying special attention to the back vents. Plug in the unit, turn on the power, and hold the UV light button for 3 seconds to reset the filter reminder. Sit back and enjoy the fresh air.